currently 6 a.m. The temperature...
It's 6. I'm gonna get a shower. Be back. So, of all of the cringiest things I've ever done, that probably tops it off for the cringiest. Tough. So we are at Popeyes trying their new chicken sandwich. This is like my 4th time having it. What kind of? Oh, really? Spicy chicken sandwich. Combo? Yeah, sure, why not? Can I get a spicy chicken sandwich combo? We got the chicken sandwich. Freaking, as you can see. Oh shit! Oh sorry. Oh, that thing is huge. What you gotta do? I'll have to try it. Alright, you're gonna need a hold your You know what it tastes like? A chicken sandwich. Who would have thought? Okay, so with Jackson.
Oh, you're vlogging.
Kind of completely forgot to vlog.
Dude, you're back, baby.
That was the whole point of me hanging out with Jackson. But the Popeye sandwich was pretty good. 8 out of 10. It's good for a fast food burger, or not burger, sandwich, chicken sandwich, I guess. So yeah, what do you think of it, Jackson?
Okay, to me it's bigger and better than the Chick-fil-A sandwich. But it's just a chicken sandwich. It's nothing for people to go crazy about, but I think it is bigger and better than that.
Alright, we're going to get our haircuts now. It's like 20 degrees outside. Terrific. So, if you didn't see, look, okay, so we all know the Baja Blast from Taco Bell, right? Well, they have the freeze, but it's their birthday, so they have like a birthday one, which is super ironic, because it's yours truly's birthday tomorrow, and it's so good, but it's like Nerds, I think. It's pretty good, but I had some nachos, devoured that, so good, and yeah, now I'm watching Mr. Beast. Hey guys, that'll be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff. And come back tomorrow for my birthday vlog. And yeah, that's that. It's another chill video. I've been doing a lot of chill videos. But yeah, so I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.